Protein is important. It helps your body grow strong. You need protein every day. Think of protein as building blocks. Your body uses it to build and repair tissues. This helps you stay healthy. Eating enough protein is important for everyone. It is especially key for people who are active. Protein is made up of tiny things called amino acids. There are many types of amino acids. Your body needs them all. Your body uses amino acids to build muscles. It also uses them to make hormones and enzymes. Without enough protein, your body can't work properly. You might feel tired or weak. Your muscles might not grow. Many foods have protein. Meat is a great source of protein. Chicken, fish and beef are all good choices. Eggs and dairy products also have protein. Think milk, cheese and yogurt. You can also get protein from plants. Beans, lentils and tofu are good options. Nuts and seeds are also great sources of protein. How much protein you need depends on a few things. How active are you? How much do you weigh? These factors matter. Most adults need around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Active people may need more. Talk to your doctor. They can help you figure out how much protein is right for you.